Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guide. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
We're going to be talking about why are more people driving for Uber or Lyft than ever before. Yeah. I know Sergio has a couple of slides that he is going to be talking about first, so we can get into that. Yes, and then when you guys come on, we'll bring you on.
So I saved you all the headache of the commercials, because if I did this is my original Google Docs format. If I had done it off the webpage, it would be like 80 million ads. So I just keep this shit together. So why are more people driving for Uber Lyft than ever, even as earnings decline? Okay. Over the past decade, the rideshare industry has transformed urban transportation. Uber, the largest player in the space, has seen its driver base grow year after year, up to 8 million globally as of the last earnings report. Yet a strange paradox has emerged. While more people are driving for Uber than ever before, many drivers report that their earnings have declined significantly over the past 5 years. Proven by Gridwise, by Arlen Sherman, by our community emailing me 10,000 times a year. So why are more people joining the platform that so many say pays less and treats them worse than it used to? So here are my reasons. Let's see if you all agree. This is the topic we're talking about today. This is the article on the website. Go check it out. Subscribe to the newsletter. Low barriers to entry, the gig economy's open door. I'm just going to read the headlines because the whole thing is wonderfully written, but you guys can go check it out. Please go check it out. I even tweeted it out. Low barriers to entry, the gig economy's open door. Number 2, economic pressure, inflation, layoffs, and income gaps. Number 3, the gross versus net illusion, a misleading picture, which Uber and Lyft have a lot to do with that, by the way, because they talk about active hour. We don't talk about active hour here. Number 4, platform incentives and short-term gains, which are all but mostly gone. Number 5, the flexibility factor. Every driver I talk to says that is their number 1 factor. Autonomy still matters. Number 6, Uber needs more drivers to maintain service levels. Number 7, part-time and casual drivers, the new normal. Number 8, which I think is very correct, financial desperation and erosion of alternatives. Number 9, psychological traps, sunk costs, and the hope of a better day. And number 10, which I'm going to read this paragraph, which I'm proud of, Uber's strategy, churn, is built into the business model. Uber doesn't need every driver to stick around long term. In fact, its business model thrives on constant churn. New drivers are cheaper to acquire, more motivated by bonuses, and less aware of the platform's downsides, such as gamification and algorithmic wage discrimination, because they haven't met us yet. By the time the drivers burn out, Uber has already replaced them with newer recruits. This model works for Uber and Lyft, at least for now, but it keeps earnings low and creates a revolving door, frustrated workers. Done. That's my article. Go check it out. Now come on and talk about it. Why you're driving, although you're complaining.
Yeah. Well, I think, again, master market when it came to Uber, and they said, hey, when you're going to work, when you're coming home from work, when you're doing this, when you're doing that, when your kids at soccer practice, when you're doing, if you got a few extra hours on the weekend, what you got to do, turn on the app, go out there and make some extra money. So they marketed that really, really well, and it stuck.
It did, yeah.
They don't really market it that way as much. You still can see some of the marketing, but they have changed it up a little bit. But yeah, they had a massive marketing masterfully done when it came down to it.
I give him one
something
thing I
that
gotta
stuck.
give credit. I gotta give him credit, Chris, is that they created this amazing, massive marketplace. I'm not saying you're gonna be profitable. You can turn on that fucking app. See, I cussed again. That was completely unnecessary. Whoever
Oh
you
my
were, I
God,
apologize.
Sergio.
I apologize for that one. Anyway, so,
My
so
version is.
okay. So they created this marketplace. You can turn the app on literally 24 hours a day, both apps, and you will make something. You will make some cash. I'm not saying you'll be profitable. I'm not saying any of that, but you will put some cash in your pocket. In what world? I mean, today, if you went to McDonald's to get a cook's job, you need to go through like 5 interviews, bro. This one, you upload, boom, you're driving, you're making something. That's all I'm saying. So grab the fucking link. No, grab the link, not the God damn. Grab the link and come on. I know Mohammed is going to come on for sure. Mohammed, you should be the first one. Get you out of the way.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.